So this is the Philips 1990 RL085 from 1986, and this is the L3W30T from 1963. I actually was thinking that this one was older than that one, but I was wrong. This is younger. They came in today, and the first radio I want to test was this one. It did not work right out of the box. The tuning dial was having some issues. Was getting stuck anywhere on the scale, so I fixed that. And the on and off switch in the volume control did not work. But as you can hear, it's working pretty good. I'm getting a lot of interference. The music station somewhere around here. This is my lab. Oh, this is something I never saw in my life before. Wasn't getting the radio to work when putting it on the power supply, but look at that. It needs a second battery, a pen light from 1.5 volts, and it actually makes it possible for the speaker to work. Really a strange design. So it's running in total on 6 volts. The radio gets 4.5, and the amplifier gets the top of that. Really a strange configuration. Don't mind how the casing is looking. It's looking pretty awful, I know that. But quirky design from Philips. Never seen this before. But liking what I'm seeing. But well, happy to look at the service manual, because I was not grasping the technology of this. I was thinking at first maybe it's for a little scale light or something, but no. It is actually needed to get the amplifier working. So that's the quirky Philips L3W30T from 1963. A strange design. Never seen this in my life. I never did.